Hello everyone, today we're on 9/11 Classifying Polygons on page 240 in the purple book. Our objectives here are to be able to identify regular, irregular, convex, and concave polygons, to classify polygons by the number of sides, and to determine the number of diagonals in a convex polygon, then define the properties and relationships of quadrilaterals. Alrighty, bit of a review here, but a polygon is a closed plane figure formed by line segments that meet only at their endpoints. In a regular polygon, all sides have the same length and all interior angles are congruent. In an irregular polygon, it's any polygon that is not regular, so it will be not all sides will have the same length and angles will have different measures in those polygons. Okay. Now let's talk about concave and convex polygons, okay? Right now I want you to pause the video and guess which one is concave and convex. I'm sure you already got this, but our A polygon here is convex. And our B polygon here is going to be concave. If you notice, this polygon concaves, or it caves into the interior space of the polygon. The other thing I want you to recognize here for the convex polygons, the diagonals that join two non-adjacent vertices have no points outside the polygon. So diagonal starts at an endpoint. So right here we've got a diagonal here, diagonal here, diagonal here, diagonal here. Okay? The end or the diagonals here will meet outside the polygon. So right here, boom, boom. If you notice, this one right here is outside. Okay? That makes it a concave. That makes this a convex polygon. Convex polygons can be regular or irregular. FYI. Alright, this is just a quick slide or a picture I took out of the book. You will have to memorize all of the polygon names. So triangle for 3, quadrilateral for 4, pentagon 5, hexagon 6, heptagon 7, octagon 8, nonagon 9, and decagon for 10. Okay? And also, this is a great chart that gives you information about the number of diagonals. So what I want you to do in your notes is to figure out, by looking off of this chart, how many diagonals a nonagon has and how many a decagon has. Okay? Make sure to have your hypothesis in there. Hopefully you get it correct, or you can kind of check out the pattern. So please do that. And yeah, we'll move on here. Alrighty, very quickly, the sum of the angle measures of a quadrilateral, which is a four-sided figure, is 360 degrees. Okay? These are all of the names. We have a quadrilateral. Oops, different color. Quadrilateral. Oh my gosh. So quadrilateral is any four-sided polygon. Okay? So all of these following terms are all classified into the family of quadrilaterals. Okay? A parallelogram, which I'm going to put in down here, is a quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel and incongruent sides. Opposite sides and opposite angles are congruent. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. A rectangle is a parallelogram with four right angles and two pairs of congruent sides. A rhombus is a parallelogram with four congruent sides. The diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular and bisect the angles they connect. A square, which you've all seen a bajillion times, is a parallelogram with four right angles and four congruent sides. That is a regular polygon because all sides are congruent, as well as all angle measures. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides, which are the bases. An isosceles trapezoid is a trapezoid whose non-parallel sides are congruent. Okay? As I said, the sum of the angle measures of a quadrilateral will be 360 degrees. Okay? So, a rhombus looks, ooh, gosh, how about I get a straight line here going here? It's going to look a lot like this. Again, not very perfect, not super amazing. Okay? That's going to be your rhombus. Okay? What I'd like you to do now is there is a figure at the top of page 241. It's kind of a concept, it is a concept map with all of the names and drawings and examples for all these figures that we just talked about. So make sure to put those in your notes. The last thing I want you to do is to do the examples 1 and 2 in your textbook on page 241. Okay, so it's classify the figure with the indicated property. And then number 2 says determine whether each statement is true or false. If it is false, explain why. I'll be looking for these in your notes. So we're doing examples 1 and 2 on page 241. Okay? All right, I'll see you guys in class. Bye.